Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Brita Pitcher is probably one of the most essential kitchen appliances for anyone looking to improve their daily water intake and reduce their reliance on single-use plastic bottles, offering a convenient and cost-effective way to enjoy cleaner, great-tasting water right from your tap, making it a smart choice for both your health and the environment. Number 5. Brita Standard Water Filter 4-Pack. Enjoy great-tasting, healthier drinking water with these essential filters. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Brita pitcher or dispenser. These filters effectively reduce the taste and odor of chlorine. They also minimize impurities like copper, cadmium, and mercury, ensuring cleaner water. Make a sustainable choice by switching to Brita. You can save money and significantly reduce plastic waste by replacing hundreds of single-use bottles annually. Our filters are designed for convenience. They require no pre-soaking and can be installed quickly and easily into your Brita system. Each filter provides long-lasting performance. Enjoy up to 2 months or 40 gallons of purified water before needing a replacement. These filters are universally compatible with all Brita pitchers and dispensers, excluding the Stream model. Experience the Brita difference with every pour. What we like. This option is great for those who want a reliable and straightforward filter replacement. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to ensure your tap water is free from common impurities like copper and mercury, this is a solid choice. It's designed for easy installation and provides a consistent filtration experience for your existing Brita pitcher. What people say. They're super easy to swap out and start working right away. The difference in water taste is noticeable, no more chlorine or odd aftertaste, just clean, fresh water. The difference in taste is noticeable immediately. It does a fantastic job of removing the chlorine taste and odor from my tap water, making it much cleaner and more enjoyable to drink. Great filters. Turns weird water into normal with no weird aftertastes or anything. Lasts pretty long too with no leaks. Number 4. Brita 10-Cup Water Filter Pitcher. Introducing the Brita Large Water Filter Pitcher, designed for your everyday hydration needs. It holds a generous 10 cups, perfect for filling multiple bottles. Enjoy delicious, filtered water while making an eco-friendly choice. By choosing this pitcher, you can significantly reduce single-use plastic bottle waste. This pitcher is designed for convenience, fitting perfectly on refrigerator shelves. Its easy fill locking lid makes pouring a breeze. Trust in Brita's #1 water filtration to reduce common contaminants like chlorine, mercury, copper, zinc, and cadmium. Always enjoy cleaner, fresher tasting water. This pitcher is compatible with both long-lasting and standard Brita water filters. For optimal taste, replace your standard filter every 2 months or your long-last filter every 6 months. What we like. If you need to filter a larger amount of water at once, this pitcher is ideal. Its 10-cup capacity is perfect for families or individuals who consume a lot of filtered water throughout the day. If you appreciate a pitcher that fits neatly in your refrigerator and offers a high-quality filtration that reduces common contaminants, this is the one for you. What people say. The leaky reservoir cap had been replaced with a cap inset into the pitcher itself, ensuring that water inside the reservoir could not leak out when pouring and, needless to say, making it impossible for the cap to fall off as well. Ergonomically speaking, I find this design to be a pleasure to hold, with an easily graspable handle that makes handling a full pitcher much less of an awkward experience. The filter now removes even more contaminants than in years past, and is better at removing that chlorine taste. Number 3. AQUA CREST replacement for Brita water filters. Enjoy peace of mind with our NSF certified water filter. It's certified to reduce chlorine and is made with lead-free materials, ensuring your water is safe and pure. Experience a high and stable water flow rate with every use. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it guarantees every drop of water is clean and tastes great. This filter is designed to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, as well as great value pitchers. It's a perfect match for your existing water system. Our advanced 4-stage filtration system, featuring coconut shell-activated carbon and ion exchange resin, effectively reduces chlorine, rust, taste, and odor. It ensures you get the cleanest water possible. With a lifespan of up to 40 gallons, this filter provides purified water for an extended period. It's an eco-friendly choice that reduces plastic waste. This pack includes a 1-year supply of filters, ensuring you always have access to clean, great-tasting water. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for your household. What we like. For those who prioritize certified performance and a long-lasting filter, this is an excellent alternative. If you're looking for a filter that meets strict NSF standards for chlorine reduction and is made from lead-free materials, consider this option. Its 4-stage filtration and extended lifespan make it a convenient and effective choice for continuous use. What people say. These are good quality replacement filters for Brita water pitchers and at a very reasonable price. They came with easy-to-follow instructions and work effectively. They fit the water pitcher properly. Quality is as good as the Brita. The price is good and worth it. The color, size, and design is similar to that of Brita filters and they work just as well. This is a good second choice to the Brita filters. Works great. Not much difference from the Brita brand and still fits just the same in the pitcher. Number 2. Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter. Enjoy delicious, healthier tap water with Brita Stream. Our advanced filtration system is designed for your convenience and taste. It effectively reduces over 90% of chlorine taste and odor, along with particulates. Experience purity with our innovative dual-layer filtration. No more waiting. Our patented filter as you pour technology means you get filtered water the moment you pour. Make an eco-friendly choice. By using Brita, you can replace up to 1,800 plastic bottles annually, saving money and the planet. Each filter lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons. Plus, a convenient indicator lets you know exactly when it's time for a replacement. These replacement filters are specifically designed to work seamlessly with all Brita Stream pitchers. What we like. This pitcher is designed for ultimate convenience and speed. If you're always on the go and dislike waiting for your water to filter, the filter as you pour technology is a game changer. It's perfect for busy individuals or households who want instant access to great tasting water without any delay. What people say. The water tastes fresh and clean, and I love that it filters as you pour. The design is sleek and fits easily in my fridge, and it's BPA-free, which gives me peace of mind. It replaces up to 1,800 plastic water bottles per year, which is a huge win for reducing waste. Number 1. Waterdrop PT-05B 7-cup water filter pitcher. Introducing a modern water filter pitcher with a 7-cup capacity. Its compact design fits perfectly in your refrigerator, making it an essential for any home or office. Enjoy the convenience of a hands-free lid that dispenses water automatically. This innovative feature prevents dust accumulation, ensuring your water stays clean and hygienic. Rest assured with NSF 42 and 372 certifications. This pitcher uses high-quality activated carbon fiber to significantly reduce chlorine and improve water taste. Our multi-stage filtration technology effectively reduces chlorine, PFOA, PFOS, and odors. It's designed to enhance your water's purity, not just reduce TDS. Never guess when to change your filter again. The built-in indicator lets you know exactly when it's time for a replacement, ensuring optimal performance. Experience filtration that lasts. This pitcher filters up to 200 gallons, providing 5 times longer filter life than standard filters. What we like. If you're concerned about specific contaminants like PFOA, PFOS and want a filter with an exceptionally long lifespan, this pitcher is a top contender. Its NSF certification and multi-stage filtration provide peace of mind. If you appreciate a modern design that fits well in your fridge and offers extended use before filter replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. The no-touch water fill is such a time saver. No chance of contaminating the interior. The size was perfect for my hands, the feel and balance are so much nicer than a larger competitor brand. One filter processes 200 gallons of tap water and there is an indicator light to tell you when to change the filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.